Yeah, welcome to my review of the KZ ZST, an earphone I actually forgot I owned because it was in a drawer. I thought, well, let's do it before I forget again. So yeah, here's the ZST. This is the older one, so you don't get the newer type of cable. But I will show you in a bit what type of cable it should kind of come with because I don't own one. But I'll show you when I get to the clip. It's later on. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. As you can see on the box, it's got a black kind of cable. They don't use that anymore, but you'll see in a bit. ZST Pro, because it's the brightish bluish violet colour. 3.5, 0.75 pin, 10 ohm impedance, 106 decibel sensitivity. It's easy. It's fairly easy to power. There's no issues, whatsoever. So there you go, it's that one. And the other one there is like a carbon fibre effect. And there was even a really rare one of these with different kind of finishes. I think one looked like the Joker, but that's long gone by the time you see this video. And I never bought those. It was like special editions, limited editions. But yeah, in this bag is the tips, small and large, which I'll show you later on. The normal user guide manual type of thing, which I'll show you in a bit as well. When you drive, do not use headphones. Exactly. Safety first. And in here is the crappy cables that KZ used to come with. It's just the first impressions to have a look. Obviously I've used these and I've had to like rebox it for the video, but yeah, that's what they look like. They look exactly the same as the KZ VK4s, which I'll show later on. This is also their first hybrid, so this owes them quite a lot, really. This was the beginning of the hybrids. It's got a little lip on the nozzle to help keep the tips on. I think it was one of the first ones with the Starline tips, but I could be wrong with that regard. So yeah, here's the tips it comes with. It comes fitted with the mediums as standard. And these are large and small. Very straightforward. Good tips, really. And in here is the included cable, which is really crap, as you'll see with my thumbs down. Yeah, that's what these used to come with. I'm so glad that these don't come with them anymore. As you can tell, I never even use this cable. But mine, it's the one with the microphone. Such a good thing they got rid of these crappy cables. They got a metal in the ear guide, so you have to fit it to your ear. But it's such a good thing they got rid of it. And what I'm showing you now is if you buy one of these now, it comes with a cable that's very similar to this. This is the C-type kind of cable, but for example, it should come with something similar. You'll see in the promotion pictures. So here's just the manual. I'm just going to quickly skim through this because it's kind of important, but it's in all of them. It's nothing special, but it's always good to have a good read through them. As you say, safety first. Just earplugs. Actually, recommend burning. Okay. Blah blah blah, all the usual information that comes standard with these. And yeah, finally on to what they're like. Comfort is good. I had no issues with comfort at all. I thought they was fine. As you say, one of their first hybrids. I didn't have no issues with the actual fitment. I'm just going to show you now how they look with the VK4, which is, I think KZ is their company as well. So, but the VK4s are really good. Sound, I'll get straight into the sound, is kind of V-shaped, really. So, elevated bass, mid-bass, sub-bass, which is not bad. It could do with a little bit tighter, but these use the older dynamic driver. And then it peaks about 3k-ish, I think, then dips a bit into the treble, and then slowly decreases, so it's a V shape. It's not too bad. It's kind of generic, I would say. It's nothing special. It's not bad, but yeah, it's a V-shaped sound. Isolation was fine, soundstage fine, and imaging's fine. Really, I couldn't really say much. But yeah, I find these was pretty good for like electronic music, and like they're really easy to power. Vocals aren't really pushed away or anything. They're kind of average, kind of V-shape. It's just common, just quite common V-shape sound. Build quality to these was fine, considering it's, they are on the cheap side, as in cost, and obviously how they're made. Like, they've got a lip on the nozzle to help keep tips on, like I said before. And that's it really. The sound's kind of average. They're not amazing, but they're not bad, really. Not much really to say about them. And no issues with sensitivity at all. And yeah, this is my conclusion. These are average. It's probably the good way to pull it. There's a ZST X out now, which I'm hopefully going to get. And I can compare them with these. But these was fine, really. They perform like they should at the price. And the fit's good. The cable's rubbish, but it does come with a better one these days. So I can't really complain. And I think that's it. If you like what I do, can you give me a like, subscribe? Thanks for watching, and you take care out there, as it's still not good times. Take care.